I'm Hannes Snyman from Tala Healthcare and from Castle Walk and Castle Ridge Pharmacies in Pretoria. And you can go and buy on Take a Lot or also on my castlewalkpharmacy.com website. So go and search for the Mega range there. There you will find Mega Motswako for rehydration. Motswako is a Tswana word which means mixture of life. Crucial that if you are dehydrated, Mega Motswako for rehydration will save your life. I travel with my mobile clinic to the townships, and there over a period of 18 years, I've seen so many kids and little ones being dehydrated. And then we teach the people in the townships to make their own motswako. Motswako with a mixture of salt and sugar, and that will save your child's life. But here it is, Mega Motswako for rehydration in the proper isotonic mixture of the salt and the sugar in the right proportions so that the body will absorb it instantly, immediately, and then for cases of dehydration, this Mega Motswako will also save your life. So go and buy on Take a Lot, on my castlewalkpharmacy.com, and visit my pharmacies. Come and have a look at my 2 pharmacies, or ask your pharmacist to order and keep some. The big tub, very economical. A huge type like this, just more than 100 Rand, there's 30 doses in there. And then I also have it in the sachets. There's 10 sachets in a box. And then I make it in an effervescent tablet, for the athletes, for the cyclists, which you can just pop an effervescent tablet in your drinking bottle or your camelback, and there you go. So make sure you always have Mega Motswako wherever you travel. Make sure you never ever travel without Mega Motswako, because it's life-saving. When you need Mega Motswako and you don't have it, you'll be in serious trouble. Of course, use some medicines to stop the diarrhea and stop the vomiting, but the thing that makes you feel better instantly is the rehydration. So Mega Motswako for rehydration. Make sure you always have some in a big tub. I call it the family size, for the family, because if you have a tub like this at home, it's for the children, it's for Oma and Opa, it's for the Magogos, it's for the whole family. The sachet is very convenient for when you travel, and the effervescent tablets for the sports guys, that you can just pop it into your bag and you have the effervescent tablets to put in your drinking bottle. So please go and buy, and make sure you save your own life or save your children's life, or you can save your neighbor's life, and be generous. Share it with everyone.